Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and enjoying good health. Let's start our class. Today we are going to do work from our workbook. So let's start. Look carefully at the map and answer the questions that follow. We will answer these questions with the help of this picture with this map. Let's start. Which city is between Jheel Okab and Cherry Orchard? Now look into the map. Cherry Orchard कहाँ पर है? Cherry Orchard is on the left side at the end of the map, and Jheel Okab is on the top of the map on the right side. So which city lies between these two? Eagle City. So the answer is Eagle City. The next question is, what is the population of Mount Hawk? Mount Hawk की population क्या है? How do we know? We will look into the map. Where is Mount Hawk? Here is the Mount Hawk, which describe with the help of symbol, and the symbol is black circle. Look into the other side. ब्लैक सर्कल के आगे क्या राइट किया हुआ है? पॉपुलेशन अंडर 10,000. सो द आंसर इज पॉपुलेशन अंडर 10,000. इज द कैंपिंग और पिकनिक एरिया नॉर्थ और साउथ ऑफ द सिटी एयरपोर्ट? नॉर्थ और साउथ, अब हमने बताना है नॉर्थ है या साउथ है. सो वी विल लुक इनटू द मैप. कैंपिंग एंड पिकनिक एरिया इज डिस्क्राइब्ड विद द हेल्प ऑफ ट्रायंगल सिंबल. So we will look into the map where the triangle symbol lies. The triangle symbol lies in the south. So the answer is south. In which direction does highway 17 run? Look into the map in the north side. In the upper side पे क्या है? North. As you can see from the plus sign, west, east, north and south. South is under and north is above. So the answer is in north side. Which town is located on motorway 86? Motorway 86 पे कौन सा town है? As you can see in the map, Falcon is located on the motorway 86. Which road would you take if you were heading south from Mount Hawk? इन द मैप माउंट हॉक को जाने के लिए हमें माउंटेन रिज रोड से जाना पड़ेगा. सो द आंसर इज माउंटेन रिज रोड. व्हाट इज़ द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ चेरी ऑर्चर्ड? चेरी ऑर्चर्ड की पॉपुलेशन कितनी है? एज यू कैन सी फ्रॉम द सिंबल, वी विल लुक इनटू द इंफॉर्मेशन. पॉपुलेशन 25,000 to 1 lakh. The answer will be population 25,000 to 1 lakh. What is the name of the largest city shown on the map? The largest city which is shown on the map is Eagle City. Which highway is north of Cherry Orchard? Cherry Orchard के पास कौन सा हाईवे है? हाईवे 12. And the last question is, Falcon lies between which two roads? फाल्कन कौन से दो रोड्स के दरमियान आता है? एज यू कैन सी 86 एंड न्यू झील रोड इन द मैप. सो द आंसर इज मोटरवे 86 एंड न्यू झील रोड. लेट्स मूव टूवर्ड्स द नेक्स्ट पेज. लेबल द सिंबल्स. लेबल द सिंबल्स बाय यूजिंग वर्ड्स फ्रॉम द गिवन वर्ड बैंक. इन द येलो वी हैव गिवन द वर्ड बैंक. वी विल यूज दीज वर्ड्स इन द गिवन ब्लैंक्स. लेट्स स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट वन, द सिंबल. It's a road. The second one, it is a grass. Third one, it is a hotel symbol. The fourth one is for water. Then ice cream. And then it's a school. Then fast food restaurant. Post office. The next one is beach. The next one is a toy. So it is a toy factory. Sand. And then police station. The next one, factory, and the last one is a house symbol. The next part is draw the symbols for the following features. अब ये आप लोगों के पास फोटोज़ हैं, इनको देख के आप लोगों ने सिम्बल्स ड्रॉ करने हैं. The first one will be the mosque symbol. The next one is a bridge symbol. The next one ये वाला road symbol होगा, so we will simply draw a road. And then forest, so we will draw tree. The next one is a factory, so you can see from the up symbols the factory symbol, so you will simply draw it. And then the last one, it's a petrol pump, so you will simply draw a car. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.